Good afternoon, everyone. This is Maggie from Tom Heater.
This is Sherry. Welcome to our broadcast room.
Yeah, welcome. It's the second day of online Canton Fair. So I think most of you may have seen our live stream yesterday. So we also hope you will enjoy our following live stream here. And our today's topic will be about
the shower heater.
Yeah, shower heater and the water heater. So as usual, I will introduce our factory first, so you will have a better understanding and a general idea of us. Yeah, I believe maybe some of you are from our old customer. You have known us before, but maybe some of you from our new customers. So I will give you a brief introduction for the factory. Yeah, for us, we are Haiyan Donghai Electric Appliance Company Limited, and we are OEM factory to manufacture heating elements of different home appliances. And now we possess more than $100 assets at present, and we have different workshops for manufacturing different temperature heating elements. Yeah, and yeah, as you can see from our display area, we are, because with our business developing, we also set up some branches in our domestic market and also overseas. So this is part of our products, such as the heating elements here and the die casting products. Yeah. Yes. This is our branches factory will manufacture this.
Yes, we are OEM. Not only we can do these products, and we can open the mold and make the sample and for the testing, and we can cooperate.
Yeah. Yes. So now we will start our today's topic, water heater and shower heater. So later we will change to the samples test, and you will have a close look of the samples, and Sherry and I will introduce them one by one.
So let's go.
Yeah, please see the samples we shown here. There are some shower heater and the water heater. So first, we introduce for the shower heater. As you can see, there is from two types of the shower heater here. And for these heaters, actually, we supply to Chemical in America. I think you may all know the Chemical is a big brand in America, and they sell their goods to the Walmart. And we have cooperated for them for more than 10 years until now. So our quality and quality is very stable.
Yes, we cooperate with them for many years. And for this heater, it's also made for them. You can see now I'd like to explain some technical we do very bad, very good. This one tube is the copper. The surface is electroplated with the nickel,
yes,
and which look more nice. For this tube, we make some treatment on it. You can see this is flat. And why we process like this is pressed for the pressing. You know, before the tube is annealed, MGO is filled and rolled, and it becomes tightly. The MGO becomes here is tightly, and after bending with such big angles, the MGO will break and then into the pieces at the bending area. In this case, there are some air in the empty space. So also there is a silicone oil for moisture prevention inside the MGO for this heater. When the heater is working and the temperature going up, and the silicone will float, and they will easily get together in the empty space, like here or like here. Yes. So it's dangerous. So the silicone is if the silicone carbonized and the tube bursts in in some cases, and it's dangerous, so we press the bending area and made the MGO tighten again so it can work normally. On the other hand, after bending, there will be wrinkles on the bending area. After pressing, it looks so nice. And so with such technologies for the pressing, and we made the tubes work without dangers from the silicone oil, and also make the surface look nice. For this one is a different material. This is made from the incloy, and we anneal for the tubes, and so you see is the color green. And we bend it is different with this one, and it's bended like our snake pattern. And in this case, it will increase the heating length, and in the certain limited, and the heating area is bigger. So let's begin to our next, the water heater. For the water heater, you can see this is the butterfly pattern.
Yes, we also have another type for the water heater.
So this is also the water heater.
Okay, so now we will focus on introduction of the water heater. Yeah, for the water heater, normally we have two kind of material, copper and stainless steel. They are common used for choosing the tube materials. As you know, in the process of boiling water, the tube will dissolve a small part of the metal material, and the copper is the same. But the dissolved copper is not harmful to the body. So we will introduce the more detailed information for the copper, because in ancient times, our ancestors began to use copper as kettles and pots for water and food. It can be said that copper is a very good material, because compared with iron, stainless steel, and other materials, the copper has the performance of better thermal conductivity. So under the same conditions, the copper tube will heat up faster in water. However, the copper tube has some disadvantage. So the first one is during the water boiling, when the water is dried, if nobody looking after it, the copper will burst if it is burned in the air for a long time. And the second one is the copper will produce copper rust when in a scald after being used for a long time, which are not good for the health, right? And so nowadays it is often replaced by the stainless steel, and as the stainless steel has more stable performance because it's good corrosion resistance and high temperature resistance. Meanwhile, the stainless steel tubes are more smooth, not easy to produce spalling in this case. So the water quality is better.
Yes, in the market you can see there are many kinds of stainless steel, and 304 incloyed or 202, many kinds. And if the material is contacted with the water directly, like this one, and is directly contact with the water, so it should be full-grade stainless steel to ensure that the material is safe and hygienic and will not release the toxic material. We generally use the full-grade stainless steels, 304 and 316.
Yeah, we will also mark the food-grade material
and
in the
yes.
water tank.
Yes, we mark the food-grade inside, and which also is international recognized for the food-grade 304 and 316. And for the household appliances, 304 is enough. And if you have higher requirement, you can use the 316. So what's the difference? Comparing the two kinds, the 304 is enough for the whole prices, but the 304 is more resistant to the high temperature, corrosion, and more safe and more safer. Of course, the price is higher. Some is much higher than the 304. So comparing with the price and the characteristic, most of us will choose the 304. For the 201 or 202 cannot be used for the full grade material, as the excess manganese inside will damage the body nervous system. So we have the strict requirement for the stainless steel material. For full grade stainless steel, our full grade stainless steel have passed the national standard. So there's no need to worry about the material of us. And also for the kettle or for any stainless steel which touching with the water, and we have our study for the stainless steel, and it's not the normal full grade 304, and we have our study inside. So after using 4 or 5 years, and you may find there are no the rusty or some mark on it, so the quality is quite good for our stainless steel.
Yes, and with the continuous improvement of people's health awareness, actually we try not to use copper pipes or stainless steel pipes to heat the drinking water directly. Yes, so I will show you here. The way we do now is put the pipes outside of the water. For example, the kettle heater.
This kettle heater?
Yeah, inside of the kettle plate there is a pipe because the heat of the pipe is transmitted to the aluminum plate and then to the stainless steel container to the water. Although the speed is slower than the heating water directly, but with this way we can ensure the safety of water maximally. After all, health is priceless.
Yes.
Yeah, so I think above all is the introduction of the shower heater and the water heater. So we will come back to our desk, and we will make a summary and then reply you for the customers' questions. 导播帮我们转到1号镜头。
So welcome back, and for our details, you can see we pay much attention to our technology and the material, and we will pay our best to do for the quality and safe for the products. So it's very important because what we make here is almost for the home appliances. Is regardless for is related with our health. So we consider much about this. So we pay much attention to the material, and also for the quality. We have cooperated with many customers. Some customers we cooperate with them for more than 10 years. Why they choose us? Because our quality is very stable, and almost there are no complaint. So they choose us because the customer satisfied is our honor. Yes.
Yeah, it's also our first priority.
Yes. So I think there are many customers will interest our products, and I will collect some questions, and we will answer you one by one, and we will come back 1 or 2 minutes later. So see you later.
welcome back.
Hi.
Yeah, so now I received some questions from the online customers, so I will focus on these questions and give you a relevant reply. So the first question is from a customer. He wants to know how to confirm the quantity with us before starting to produce. Yes, as we said before, quantity is our first priority. And so before to confirm our quantity, we would like to separate the several steps. So the first one, you send us our drawing or samples, and we will give you a formal quotation. So once the quotation accepted, we will move on to the next step. So this will be in two situations. One is to open mode, and the other is for the samples no need open mode. So for the open mode, the first step, you need to arrange the mode charge. Then we will open the mode and send free charge of samples for you to confirm the quantity. If no need mode, we will send the free of charge of samples for you, and you can check them. If once the samples are approved, then we will make max production for you. Okay, the second question is, are your products customized? Yes, as you know, we are OEM factory for manufacturing different heating elements in our factory. So we can not only produce the products we shown in the display area, we can also produce based on your drawing or samples. So if you have interest for our products, please feel free to send us your technical drawing or samples. Then we will check and make the correct products for you. The third question is the capacity of our heating elements. Yes, as you know, we have established for more than 25 years, and we have developed many automatic equipment and production machine for the heaters. So now our capacity can reach 100,000 pieces per day, and our working time is 8 hours. This is just for day shift. If you have a large order, we can also add night shift. So don't worry about our lead time. We can make it flexible and satisfying, make you satisfied.
Yeah.
Okay, so because our live stream time is limited, if you have more questions, you can find our contact information in your homepage, or you can click to the website here. So you will find more products and more dimensions for your reference. So thanks for your joining with us today. So our last live stream will start in 7 o'clock p.m. today. So just following with us, we will introduce more products and bring you more wonderful live stream.
Yes.
Welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.